Auto down, auto up. And that's for the left side rear door. I will go ahead and finish off the right side for the rear. Again, this is for the one touch up and down control by Autoloc AUTWC2000. I've got two switches, two modules. I'll install the second module on the other side. Now this module will have to be mounted somewhere out of place so it's not affected by your door panel. I haven't located an area where I want to do that just yet, but most likely it'll be behind this panel here.